You put them on. Install some Oracle lighting, pre-runner grill kit. Let's see what comes in the kit so we can install it. We got the lights, 3 lights, the cabling, and that's it. So each cable, you can see, plugs into the light, plug and play, and then we gotta run these to the daytime running lights. Look at the instructions. All right, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta remove the grill. So you're just gonna pull the tabs out. I think there's a 4 or 5. Just pull up on them. And pull up.
Some of these are stubborn.
You pull up on them, you don't have to pull them all the way up. You see there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, there's 6 of them. Once you do that, the grill, you just snap off with some brackets that they have on there.
No.
Alright, we gotta pull the grill out.
I think you do gotta pop these things out completely.
So we'll go ahead and pull them out completely. You don't want them to get caught. And like I said, they have clips inside of them. You need to grab in the right spot and then just pull on the grill. Oh, something came out.
It's these things.
Okay. Yeah, these little pieces come out, so you might as well just pull them off so you don't lose them. We just popped the grill off. So now we have to go ahead and put the lights on there, which should be pretty simple.
These ones are different. No, why we need a washer?
Alright, if you see the lights, you can push it into the grill. It comes with, oh shit, hold on. There we go. Like I always say, I hate doing videos with one hand. I feel like a retard. Hold on. Oh. Okay. So, take one of these washers, put it behind. Right there. And the reason why you're putting a washer is because when you tighten this little bolt that comes with it, remember the grill is plastic, and what is going to happen is if you tighten this on plastic, it's going to end up going right through the plastic, and when you're off-roading, all the vibration will break the grill because these holes are very thin, as you can see, and this bolt will go through it. So it's one of the reasons why you want to add on here. Well, we get all 3 on here. Once you get all 3, this is what it's gonna look like. Hopefully you can chill. So you go ahead and connect, plug and play. A little pick that you have medium, a long one. Make sure you put the long one on the right side and the short one on the other. Now we gotta go ahead and tighten up those nuts, and we'll be able to put the grill back on. Alright, when you take these wires, run them up through the top so that way you don't see them through the grill. And then what you're gonna do is run it through here. The wire, black and red wire. Red wire, you run it to the bottom, connect it onto the lights on here. I'll show you that. Black wire, you're gonna run it to the secondary battery ground. and connect it over there. Alright, I had to stall the video here a little bit because you actually have to, don't see behind the scenes. Took the wire, ran it through here, as you can see, underneath here. Well, where is it? Right through here. Comes out here, and I want to make it nice and neat, so I ran it underneath it. Then when you get to here, you're going to have to splice the wire, because the red wire, you run it down to connect it to the headlights. The black one, we want to run it underneath there, so it can look nice and neat. As you can see here, this is your secondary battery. This is your ground. You want to take out this bolt, which is a 10mm. The kit actually comes with the round, whatever you call it here. I put it on already. I'll take that out, connect this, and then I'll be connecting the battery light. We'll put the grill on, and we should be good to go. When you run down the red wire, what I found the best thing to do is right here. I just disconnect this on the other side. You're gonna see this, the plug for your fog lights, which you probably disconnected if you got an aftermarket bumper. If you still have it, this is what it looks like here. I'll show you on the other side. If you still have it on, I just ripped it out from there, as you can see underneath here, because it's plugged into the bumper by this little plug here. You can still use these, and even if you have the fog lights, you can use these. I would recommend you connect it to your fog lights. Reason being is that they are bright. I didn't think they were going to be that bright, but they are very bright, and you're going to blind people. Depending on the state you live in, you can get in trouble with the law. So this white and orange wire, let me get it to focus. Sorry about that. The white and orange wire you see there is where you're going to tap in. It comes with the one of these how do you call these things? Damn it, come on, zoom in. One of these crimp type wire extractor thingamajigs. I'd recommend you plug it into here. You can always change it later, but hook it up to your fog lights. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here and see if this is how it's gonna work. Can you put them on? Okay, this is what they look like. The Oracle amber lights for the grill. Turn them on and off. We connected them with the fog lights, so that way they don't blind people, because as you can see, they are very bright. So it kind of gives it that look. On and off. Oracle lights. Looking good.